Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this blind flange in Blender. So we are in Blender now. So first of all we need to import the image in Blender. So I import this blind flange image in Blender. Okay, so scale, so zoom out. Okay, so select this flange, go to opacity and try to minimize it. Okay, so shift plus A again, go to mesh, slender, and 64 vertices are there. Shade smooth, go to auto smooth, go to wireframe mode, D axis, X axis try to move, D Z axis. Okay, and go to the edit mode, select the vertices, try to move it down, extrude and scale. Okay, and extrude Z axis. Okay, select this portion, control A rotation scale to be reset, and select this edges, this edge, control plus B, should be a little bit high, and this one should be a little bit bevel is there, control plus B. Okay, so select shade smooth, auto smooth. Okay, if you see, if it is a normal blind flange, so it should have 4 folds. So shift plus A again, go to mesh, slender, shade smooth, auto smooth, hide the upper slender, try to minimize it, so scale. Okay, so we're using S to first scaling, so scale Z axis. Okay, and hide this one. Okay, cursor to selected, so this one set origin to 3D cursor, so shift plus D, rotate 90, so shift plus R, repeat. Okay, so select all, control plus J, join, go to edit, preferences, and select bool tool. So it should be tick, and select this one, control shift B, difference. Okay, go to the edit mode, select the edges, press C, unselect. Okay, only top and bottom portion are there, so control plus B, a little bit bevel is there. So yeah, this is done. I hope you like this tutorial. So this is blind flange. It is usually for isolation.